Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by drawing a central circle 1.5 inches wide for the crab body. Use a pencil and light strokes so you can erase. Next, place 2 horizontal guide lines across the circle to mark eye and mouth positions. Keep lines parallel and about 3/4 of an inch apart for balance. These guides keep proportions consistent as you add legs and claws later. Pause now and check symmetry before moving to appendages and details. Sketch 4 pairs of legs extending from the circle at 20 to 30-degree angles. Start each leg with a slightly curved line about 1.25 inches long. Add overlapping arcs to indicate jointed segments and suggest movement. For claws, draw stems extending outward and finish with a rounded pincer shape reaching about 3.5 inches overall. Keep claw tips slightly separated to show open posture. Check that leg spacing is even. Begin finalizing by adding eyes on short stalks above the top guideline and a small curved mouth centered below. Refine the shell rim with a gentle scalloped edge and mark texture with short, controlled strokes. Shade the underside lightly to suggest volume and add darker tones along the shell rim for contrast. Erase all guidelines carefully and darken final outlines using a pen or a darker pencil. Finish with small highlights on the claws to imply shine and wet texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.